Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have power and firmware ready. Now start binding. Turn on the Radiomaster Pocket and open the model setup. Choose the protocol that matches your receiver, D16 or D8. Once selected, set any module options like power or telemetry so the link will match. Make sure the receiver is unpowered, then press and hold its bind button. While holding, apply power to the receiver. Watch the LED start blinking rapidly. This signals the receiver is in bind mode and ready to pair with the radio. With the receiver blinking, go back to the Radiomaster Pocket and select Bind from the model setup. Press and hold the bind command when prompted. You'll see progress information on screen. The radio will send a bind packet and request the receiver's response. Keep the antenna unobstructed and hold about 1 to 2 meters away to avoid interference. Once binding completes, you'll get a solid confirmation tone and the receiver LED will stop blinking. Save the model, then power cycle both devices to finalize the link. Now confirm the link by moving sticks and checking servo or ESC response. Verify telemetry if used. If everything responds, you're done. Save trims and failsafes and perform a range test. If binding failed, first reconfirm you used the correct protocol and that firmware versions are compatible. Mismatched modes are the most common cause. Once done, try powering both units down for 10 seconds and repeat binding. If issues persist, reflash receiver or radio firmware, or test with a known good receiver.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.